Wi-Fi problems with your Lexmark printer. Let's tackle it together, step by step. First, check if your Wi-Fi is working for other devices, like your phone or laptop. If not, restart your router by unplugging it, waiting 10 seconds, and plugging it back in. Next, make sure your printer is powered on and close to your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes, walls or distance can mess up the connection. Now, look at your printer screen. Find the Wi-Fi icon. If it's not showing, go to the printer settings menu and select Network or Wireless Setup Wizard. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your password carefully. Watch out for typos. It happens more than you think. If your printer still won't connect, try restarting it. Just turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Finally, if you're still stuck, grab your phone or computer and go to Lexmark's website. Download the latest software or drivers. They can fix hidden issues fast. And that's it. These simple steps solve most Wi-Fi problems with Lexmark printers. If it's still not working, reach out to Lexmark support. They're there to help. Happy printing.